Hello everyone, welcome back to another vid. Today we got a trade recap. Yes sir. Alright, so what did we see today, right? So first things first, just looking at this, you should have been like, ooh, I'ma sit on my hands. Well, why? Because this is an inside candle. Today is an inside candle. And the worst thing about this is that we should have known after what we saw on the calendar. On the calendar and on the technical side. How? Well, you can see Monday had more news, more well, not more news, but more like it looks more volatile than Tuesday. Plus, we can see Monday was a big candle, and it went. The low is equal to the open, kind of, and the same goes for the close. It's kind of close to the high, and we could have expected either price continuing or consolidating, right? Because we need consolidation for the week at least once, and this is the day that it's consolidating. Now, looking at this inside candle, sit on your hands. Well, guess what? I did not sit on my hands, so I did take a trade. Let's go to the 15 minute. The 15 minute, when I looked at it, it looked nice, like, yeah, like, that's it. We got consolidation, we got manipulation, and we're gonna distribute. Yeah, we did not distribute, bro. We did not distribute. What we did instead is go lower. Now, how could we have predicted this? Well, we couldn't. That's the thing. I did not know what we did not know what I was gonna do because you see this, right? I mean, we go lower, and you're like, okay, we're still manipulating because New York session can still manipulate and go higher. But considering we're an inside candle, this is low probability, and looking at this is also low probability. So, what would you expect? What would you want to do here? Is sit on your hands, not trade. And if you do, be careful. Not be like me. Well, I was careful, but not as much as I should have been. So, boom. We got consolidation, manipulation. This right here is a fair value gap on the 1 hour, and it's uh, equilibrium. Well, it wasn't in the equilibrium, but it was close, right? So I was like, okay, this is the fair value gap because the other fair value gap will need to go way, way lower to catch that. So no, I was looking at this one. I went on the 1 minute. What do we see in the 1 minute? We're rejecting. We got this. Swing low, swing high. And we're going lower. We took the swing low. What does that mean? We got low, high, lower, low, high, high. We closed above. We made a fair value gap. Now, the reason I did not take this breaker is because there's no fair value gap here. This doesn't look good. This looks more like a chop. But this is nice. We closed above. We got a fair value gap inside. This is the breaker. So I entered here. And it started to go up, down, up, down. It started to consolidate. And at this point, I was like, okay, I might get out of the trade soon if it continues to chop. If I suspect that it's going to continue to chop, I'm getting out. Now, I did not do that. Instead, we got this huge candle right here, which got me thinking, okay, we're probably going up. But I rejected. We got this fair value gap. Okay, we're going to bounce. We did not bounce. We started going lower. And at this point, I was looking at this like, okay, based on what this candle or how this candle behaves, I'm gonna see if I close the trade or not. And I saw it close like this, and it's pretty clear at this point that it's gonna go down. I did not close the trade, so I took full loss, lost 0.5%. It's not much, honestly, right? Like I did get a win not so long ago, so it doesn't really affect me, right? I that just means that the win, what I made 1%, I just made 0.5%. Doesn't matter. It's okay. Still, I'm still in profit, right? Now, what I do take from this trade is that this was an inside candle, and I should not have traded this because this is my rules. I do not trade inside candles because in inside candles, I really do not know what's happening. I do not know how to trade inside candles, and you can see how that turned out. Um, so then I looked at it. We're going lower, right? We took this previous candle low. Uh, we displaced higher. Made another unicorn. I did not take this unicorn because I knew I was gonna just revenge trade, and I was gonna be a loss anyway, and it would have been. If you see, I would have entered here. No, I would have entered here on this candle. Enter, and I would have put my stop here. I would have gotten stopped out almost instantly. So good I didn't trade. I'm glad I only took one loss and I didn't break my rules. My targets were the consolidation and this high right here before the consolidation. Sell side we took was this sell side right here, and that's pretty much it. We also had this, another reason why I was very bullish is we had this huge S&P right here, right? You can see we took this low on S&P, but we did not take it on Nasdaq. So I was like, okay, this is huge. This is a big. This is the big S&T, like, you know. So I was looking forward to that. As you can see, we're probably gonna go lower, and I could not have predicted this because the power of 3 shows me we're gonna go up. Well, we did not go up, and we probably don't even look like we're gonna go up. At most, we're gonna create this daily fair value gap that we're gonna return to tomorrow, and we will bounce off of it. That's what I'm thinking. We will bounce off of this fair value gap if it is made. If it closes the fair value gap, I don't wanna be in that. Tomorrow, if it closes fair value gap tomorrow, I don't think I'll trade. Maybe, maybe not. Doesn't look like it. Anyways, this fair value gap I'm deleting now. We don't need that. Honestly, um, yeah. So that's basically what I'm gonna be looking for. Also, we had the 50-minute rejection, which really just pushed me to like, okay, yeah, we are going higher, but you can see, don't trust everything, right? Of course, this is a big plus if this happens while you're in a trade or while you're goes your bias, right? It's huge RFPD towards my drawn liquidity, but the conditions were low probability. So this means it doesn't matter because I wouldn't gotten. There's no point of it, right? It doesn't help at all if the conditions are not looking good. I shouldn't have even been in this trade, right? That's the mistake I did, and that's what I learned from this trade. That this is basically what happened today. We also this 1 hour candle was also like really just rejecting, so I was hoping it would go. No, I also was expecting. I was looking at this, how it reacted off of this for value gap, and it got me thinking at the start. But when I saw the rejections on the 15-minute, I entered. Not good today. Really bad trade today. Bad conditions. Bad price action. This is horrible. This is horrendous. From my perspective, right? I don't like this. This, good Asia. This, good London. This, bad New York. Well, it isn't really good on London. It's like, okay, it's mid. Oh no, it looked like manipulation. Basically, we got this quick down and up, but it wasn't. And I got punished. So that's what we can learn from this trade today. and we can implement this into other days. Next time I see an inside candle, I will probably not trade that inside candle, because today I got punished for trading an inside candle. That's how you should work as well. I'm in no place to give advices, but if there's one advice is learn from your mistakes, right? If I've traded many inside candles and it's always been a loss. And I'm just now realizing how stupid it is, because I already have seen, I already know that inside candles are bad. I trade in them and it always fails. So instead of trading inside candles, I'm now going to skip them. If it's, I don't care if it's Tuesday, I don't care if it's Wednesday, I don't care if it's Monday, Friday, Thursday, news, no news. If it's an inside candle and it looks like it's gonna continue being an inside candle, like we were here, it, if it's maybe like close, sure. If it looks like it's gonna go up, yeah, okay. But this is not ideal. No, don't trade this. Look at this. I don't know. I don't like this. I don't like today's price action. But you do you, right? You do you. If you've got a good trade on this, a win, good for you. If only if you stuck to your rules. If you didn't stick to your rules, you won a trade and you got a winning trade. That's stupid. You shouldn't have been the trade if it wasn't with your rules. And another thing is stay safe. It's, yeah, we gotta keep in mind December, right? December. Stay on your toes, right? Be cautious. It's December, damn it. Like, low price, bad price, and you can see how bad it is. To me, it looks bad, of course. For someone else, it can be good. For someone else, someone look at this and said, "Okay, this is my day." Well, this is now my day. So that's the reason why this trade was bad. Anyways, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and see you all in the next one.